releasing the emergency stop button before starting the machine. Go to the main interface. Press the green button to start the machine. Press the red button to start the machine. This is the production quantity of paper plate. Click here to reset. Click here to modify the machine running speed. Click here to modify the number of paper plate in one stack. Set the stack quantity of paper plate here. Click here to restore the machine. This is the part which controls the material feeding. This is the part which controls the vacuum valve. This is the part which controls the material discharging. This is the jogging button. Usually used when debugging the machine. Alarm reset usually does not require to click. Click parameter 1. This is the opening and closing angle of the paper feeding servo motor. This is the opening and closing angle of the vacuum valve. This is the angle of the air blowing paper separation. This means that the paper starts to press down 0.03 seconds after it reaches the mold and continues to press for 0.4 seconds. This means that the paper is pushed up 0.15 seconds after the paper is formed. This means that the material blowing delay is 0.12 seconds. Continue blowing for 0.15 seconds. This means the paper plate blowing baffle will rise after 0.3 seconds. This means that the machine stops after the hydraulic station does not work for 30 seconds. Turn on this switch, the button is green. The mode can rise to this position. Turn off this switch, the button is red. The mode can only rise to this photoelectric position. Click parameter 2. This is the push distance. This is no need to set. This is the distance from the color mark to the end point. The feeding servo speed controls the transmission speed of the belt here. This means slapping the paper once after 1.5 seconds. This means slapping the paper twice. This is slapping the paper after 0.3 seconds. The paper slapping lasts 0.15 seconds. This is the paper blocking after 0.45 seconds. Keep blocking 1.05 seconds. This means that the conveyor belt stops after running for 2 seconds. This means one single trip is 10 millimeters. This means the vibration amplitude is 20 millimeters. This means vibrating 2 times. You can modify the vibration speed here. This is automatically set, no need to change. The lowest position must be higher than the conveyor belt. Clicking manual. This interface is used for debugging, and the corresponding parts are touched to test the machine operation status. Click I/O monitoring. Check the machine photoelectric operation status. Click servo monitoring. Check the servo working status. Click to clear encoder alarm. Finally, turn on all alarm switches.